Top 25 Aviva Interview Questions and Answers. In this video, we will explore the top 25 interview questions commonly asked by Aviva, a leading insurance company. Understanding these questions can significantly enhance your preparation and boost your confidence for the interview process. We will also provide insightful answers to help you articulate your thoughts effectively. With this guide, you will be well equipped to tackle the interview and showcase your skills and experiences competently. 1. Why do you want to work at Aviva? I am drawn to Aviva because of its commitment to innovation and customer-centric approach. The company's dedication to sustainability and ethical practices aligns with my values. I admire Aviva's focus on creating a positive impact in the community, especially through initiatives that promote financial literacy and inclusivity. I believe that my skills in customer service and problem-solving can contribute to Aviva's mission. Additionally, working in a dynamic environment that encourages personal growth and development is something I genuinely value. 2. What do you know about Aviva's core values and business model? Aviva's core values include integrity, customer focus, and innovation. The company emphasizes ethical practices, ensuring that clients receive honest and transparent information. Aviva aims to put customers at the heart of its operations, tailoring its products and services to meet their needs. The business model is based on delivering high-quality insurance solutions alongside investment services, promoting financial security. This customer-centric approach, combined with a commitment to sustainability, positions Aviva as a leader in the insurance market, fostering trust and long-term relationships with clients. 3. Describe a time when you had to adapt to a significant change in the workplace. How did you handle it? In my previous role, our team underwent a major restructuring that altered our reporting lines and project focus. Initially, I felt uncertain about my new responsibilities, but I quickly recognized the importance of adapting. I scheduled one-on-one meetings with my new manager and team members to clarify expectations and gather insights on our new objectives. This open communication helped me understand the team dynamics better. Additionally, I took the initiative to attend relevant training sessions, which enhanced my skills and confidence in navigating the changes, ultimately leading to a smoother transition for both myself and my colleagues. 4. Give an example of when you worked effectively under pressure. In my previous role as a customer service representative, I faced a situation where a major system outage occurred during peak hours. The phones were ringing off the hook, and customers were understandably frustrated. I quickly prioritized incoming calls, addressing urgent concerns first while maintaining a calm demeanor. I communicated transparently with customers about the issue, providing estimated resolution times. By staying organized and focused, I was able to assist a large number of customers efficiently, turning a potentially negative experience into one where they felt heard and valued. 5. Tell me about a time you had to resolve a conflict with a colleague or customer. In my previous role, a customer was frustrated due to a misunderstanding about their policy coverage. I approached the situation by actively listening to their concerns and acknowledging their feelings. After understanding their perspective, I clarified the coverage details and provided additional options to address their needs. By staying calm and empathetic, I was able to diffuse the tension. The customer appreciated my willingness to help, which led to a positive resolution and strengthened our relationship. This experience reinforced the importance of communication and empathy in conflict resolution. 6. How would you handle a customer who is unhappy with their insurance claim decision? When faced with an unhappy customer regarding a claim decision, my first step would be to listen actively to their concerns, allowing them to express their feelings fully. I would empathize with their situation, acknowledging their disappointment. Next, I would explain the reasoning behind the claim decision clearly and transparently, ensuring they understand the policy terms and conditions. If appropriate, I would offer to review their case and explore any potential options. Throughout the process, maintaining open communication and providing timely updates would be essential to rebuild trust and show commitment to resolving the issue. 7. How do you build trust with potential clients when selling insurance products? Building trust with potential clients involves a combination of transparency, empathy, and effective communication. First, I focus on understanding their specific needs and concerns, which allows me to provide tailored solutions that genuinely address their situations. I prioritize being honest about policy details, including potential limitations, which helps set realistic expectations. Regular follow-ups and being available for questions demonstrate my commitment to their well-being, further enhancing trust. By fostering an open dialogue, I create a supportive environment where clients feel valued and heard. 8. Describe a time when you went above and beyond for a customer. In my previous role, a customer reached out after experiencing a significant delay in processing their claim. Understanding the stress this caused, I took the initiative to personally follow up with the claims department and kept the customer informed throughout the process. I also offered them temporary assistance by providing insights on available support services during their wait. Ultimately, the claim was resolved faster than anticipated, and the customer expressed heartfelt gratitude for the extra effort. This experience reinforced my commitment to exceptional customer service. 9. How would you explain a complex insurance policy to someone with no financial background? When explaining a complex insurance policy, I would first identify the key components that are most relevant to the individual situation. Using simple language, I would break down terms and concepts into relatable scenarios. For instance, I might compare the policy to a safety net that catches you during unexpected events like accidents or illnesses. Visual aids can also help clarify difficult concepts. Finally, I would encourage questions, ensuring that the individual feels comfortable and informed by the end of the discussion. This approach fosters understanding and trust, making the insurance product more accessible. 10. What strategies would you use to retain customers in a competitive market? To retain customers in a competitive market, it's essential to focus on building strong relationships and delivering exceptional service. Regular communication is key. Updating clients about their policies and any changes in the market can foster trust. Implementing personalized solutions based on customer needs will also enhance loyalty. Additionally, utilizing customer feedback to make improvements ensures clients feel valued. Offering rewards or loyalty programs can incentivize renewals. Lastly, keeping up with industry trends allows for timely adaptations that align with customer expectations. 11. How do you evaluate risk when assessing an insurance application? Evaluating risk in an insurance application involves a thorough analysis of various factors. First, I gather detailed information about the applicant, including their personal history, financial status, and any relevant health data. I assess the applicant's risk profile by examining past claims, credit scores, and lifestyle choices. Statistical models and actuarial data are utilized to predict potential future claims. Additionally, I consider external factors such as market trends and geographical risks. This comprehensive approach ensures a well-rounded assessment, allowing for informed underwriting decisions. 12. What factors do you consider when determining policy premiums? When determining policy premiums, several key factors come into play. First, the insured's risk profile is crucial. This includes their claims history, age, and lifestyle. Next, the type of coverage and limits selected by the policyholder will impact the premium. Geographic location also matters, as certain areas may be more prone to specific risks such as natural disasters. Additionally, market trends and competition influence pricing strategies. Understanding regulatory requirements ensures compliance while maintaining competitiveness. Engaging with data analytics allows for more accurate risk assessment and premium setting. 13. Describe a time when you had to make a difficult underwriting decision. How did you justify it? In my previous role, I encountered a situation where a potential client had a complex medical history, raising concerns about insurability. After thorough analysis, I decided to decline the application. I justified this decision by outlining the specific risks associated with the client's medical conditions and referencing industry guidelines that supported my choice. I communicated transparently with the client, explaining the rationale behind the decision while offering alternative insurance options that were more suitable for their situation. This approach helped maintain trust and demonstrated my commitment to ethical underwriting practices. 14. How do you stay updated on industry regulations affecting underwriting? Staying updated on industry regulations affecting underwriting involves a multifaceted approach. I regularly read publications such as insurance journals and regulatory updates from organizations like NAIC and Lloyd's. Attending industry conferences and webinars also allows for networking with peers and gaining insights from experts. I subscribe to newsletters and participate in forums focused on underwriting and compliance. Additionally, I engage in continuous education courses to ensure I understand emerging regulations and best practices that may impact our underwriting processes. 15. What tools or models do you use for risk analysis? In my risk analysis, I utilize a combination of quantitative models and qualitative assessments. Tools such as Monte Carlo simulations help in understanding potential outcomes under various scenarios. Additionally, I employ decision trees and actuarial software to evaluate risks systematically. I also incorporate historical data analysis to identify trends and anomalies. By combining these tools, I can create a comprehensive risk profile that informs decision-making processes, ensuring that all factors are considered in the assessment. 16. How do you ensure accuracy when working with large datasets for pricing models? Ensuring accuracy with large datasets involves several key steps. First, I perform thorough data validation to check for inconsistencies or errors in the data. This includes cross-referencing sources and using automated scripts to identify anomalies. Next, I implement robust data cleaning techniques to remove duplicates and correct inaccuracies. Utilizing statistical software helps in applying rigorous checks during the analysis phase. Regular collaboration with team members is essential to review findings and assumptions, ensuring collective insights enhance the accuracy of our pricing models. 17. Explain a time when your analysis led to a significant business decision. During my previous role, I conducted an in-depth analysis of customer feedback and claims data, identifying a recurring theme of dissatisfaction regarding claim processing times. This prompted me to recommend a restructuring of the claims workflow, integrating automation tools. After implementing these changes, we reduced processing times by 30%, resulting in increased customer satisfaction scores and a noticeable uptick in retention rates. The analysis not only highlighted areas of improvement but also demonstrated the value of data-driven decisions in enhancing business performance and customer experience. 18. What statistical methods do you use to predict insurance trends? Regression analysis is a key statistical method I utilize to identify relationships between variables, helping to forecast future trends in claims and premiums. Time series analysis allows me to analyze historical data and spot seasonal patterns or long-term trends. Additionally, I employ machine learning techniques, such as decision trees and neural networks, for more complex datasets, enabling more accurate predictions. I also incorporate risk modeling to assess various scenarios, ensuring that predictions are robust and reliable for informed decision-making in underwriting and policy adjustments. 19. How do you communicate complex actuarial findings to non-technical stakeholders? When communicating complex actuarial findings to non-technical stakeholders, I focus on clarity and simplicity. I begin by breaking down the concepts into digestible parts, using analogies and real-life examples relevant to their experiences. Visual aids, such as charts and graphs, can effectively illustrate trends and insights. I encourage questions to ensure understanding and adapt my explanations based on their feedback. My goal is to create a collaborative environment where stakeholders feel comfortable discussing the implications and can make informed decisions based on the findings presented. 20. What challenges do you foresee in the future of actuarial science in insurance? The insurance industry faces several challenges in the future of actuarial science. One major challenge is the increasing complexity of risk assessment due to climate change and its impact on natural disasters, which can lead to unpredictable underwriting outcomes. Additionally, the rise of big data and advanced analytics requires actuaries to adapt quickly to new technologies, enhancing their skill sets to remain relevant. Regulatory changes and the demand for greater transparency in pricing models also pose significant challenges, necessitating continuous learning and adaptation within the profession. 21. Describe a time when you led a team through a challenging project. In my previous role, I led a team tasked with implementing a new customer relationship management system under a tight deadline. The challenge was not only the technical component but also the resistance from team members who were accustomed to the old system. I organized regular meetings to address concerns and encourage open communication. By breaking the project into manageable tasks and setting clear milestones, we maintained focus and motivation. Ultimately, we successfully launched the system on time, which improved our customer engagement significantly and streamlined our processes. 22. How do you motivate team members to meet company goals? Motivating team members involves creating an environment where they feel valued and empowered. I focus on clear communication of goals and expectations while ensuring everyone understands their role in achieving them. Regular feedback and recognition of individual contributions foster a sense of accomplishment. Additionally, I encourage collaboration by promoting team-building activities and open discussions, allowing everyone to share ideas and solutions. Providing opportunities for professional development also inspires team members to engage actively in our objectives, aligning personal growth with company success. 23. What's your approach to delegating tasks effectively? When delegating tasks, I assess each team member's strengths, weaknesses, and workload. This ensures I assign tasks that align with their skills and interests, fostering engagement and accountability. I clearly communicate expectations, deadlines, and the desired outcome to avoid misunderstandings. Regular check-ins allow me to provide support and feedback while empowering team members to take ownership of their responsibilities. By creating an environment where team members feel trusted and valued, I promote collaboration and enhance productivity, ultimately contributing positively to project success. 24. How do you think Aviva can stay competitive in the digital insurance space? Aviva can maintain its competitive edge in the digital insurance space by embracing innovation and enhancing customer experience. Implementing advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning will streamline operations and improve risk assessment. Additionally, investing in user-friendly digital platforms will simplify policy management for customers. Fostering partnerships with fintech companies can also bring fresh ideas and agility. Lastly, prioritizing data analytics will help Aviva better understand customer needs and preferences, allowing for personalized offerings that resonate in today's market. 25. What trends in the insurance industry excite you, and how would you apply them at Aviva? One trend that excites me is the increasing use of artificial intelligence and machine learning in underwriting and claims processing. These technologies can enhance efficiency, reduce human error, and improve customer experience. At Aviva, I envision implementing AI-driven analytics to assess risk more accurately and tailor policies to individual needs. Additionally, utilizing data from IoT devices can help monitor customer behavior and proactively offer solutions, fostering a more personalized approach in our service offerings. This can drive customer satisfaction and retention. In this video, we explored the top 25 Aviva interview questions and their answers to help you prepare effectively. Understanding these common queries and how to respond can significantly enhance your chances of success in the interview process. Remember, being well prepared not only boosts your confidence but also demonstrates your genuine interest in the role. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a like and subscribe for more valuable tips and resources to aid your job search. Thank you for watching.